Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make cheese and bacon corn muffins. These are so delicious, very easy to make. You can eat them for breakfast, dinner, lunch. They are just perfect. Everybody loves them in my house, so I'm so thrilled to share the recipe with you. So let's get started. So guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to mix all my dry ingredients together. So in a large bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my all-purpose flour, my yellow cornmeal, my baking powder, baking soda, salt, and white granulated sugar, and I'm just gonna mix it all together and set it aside until I'm ready to use it. So in this bowl I have some melted butter, and to my melted butter I'm going to go ahead and add some buttermilk, cracking my eggs, and I'm going to mix it all together until the egg is well mixed with everything. Now I'm just going to take my dry ingredients and I'm going to mix it with my wet ingredients, mix it all together until there's no more lumps. So these are the ingredients that are going to make up this muffin. Tastes so delicious. It's going to be some cheese. This is cheddar cheese that I grated myself, some crispy bacon that I cooked in the oven and I chop it up. Then we're going to go ahead and add some scallions. Now we're going to go ahead and add our cheese, the bacon, and green onions, and fold everything together until the batter is well mixed. So I'm just going to divide my batter into my muffin pan. I am using the big muffin pan because that's what I like. The bigger the better, right? Okay, so I'm just going to divide the batter evenly there, and then we're going to go ahead and add more toppings and stuff, just so people know that these are cheese and bacon muffins. So I'm just going to add some cheese and bacon, but this is optional obviously, and we're going to bake this at a 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 23 minutes. Check it on the 23 minutes. If it needs more time, just give it like 2 more minutes, but it should be done at the 23-minute marks. But if you use like the small muffin pan, they will take like 13 minutes, so your timing may vary. So after that, this is how they look. They are so delicious. Guys, these muffins are like so delicious. Everybody likes them, and I'm so surprised because this house is full of picky eaters, and I'm just delighted that they love it. Whoever you make this for, they're gonna thank you, they're gonna love you. So just make it because they're so delicious. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The recipe will be in the description box. Make this, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.